Hey guys, this is Matt from Matt's A Plus Car Care in Huntington Beach. Today we're going to have a little demonstration video. We're going to do a Haldex service. This customer is one of my best customers and he's been coming to me for many years. And he has Liqui Moly in his entire drivetrain. So he's running 5W40 Liqui engine oil. He's running DSG 8100 Liqui Moly DSG fluid. He's running 75 weight 90 front diff fluid, and then he's running 75 90 weight rear diff fluid. So right now we're going to bring his car in and we're going to change out the Haldex fluid with Liqui Moly Haldex. Alright, so we've got our Alltrack lifted up, and this is going to be our rear differential. This is called the Haldex unit. The clutch coupler sits right in here. It's a electro-hydraulic mechanical clutch, similar to like a dual clutch in a DSG. So the fluid does get hot. It does need to be serviced. I recommend anywhere between 30 and 40,000 miles. We're going to do a simple drain and refill, so pay special attention to the drain plugs on this. You don't want to mess these up. So real simple, real quick. This is going to be the drain on the Haldex. This is going to be the fill on the Haldex. Don't confuse it with the rear diff. This is going to be the rear differential drain, and then this is the rear differential fill. So my customer has racing line plugs. He's got 12mm hexes here. Typically this is going to be an 8mm Allen stock, and then the fill is going to be a 5mm Allen. But for these purposes, we've got a 12 and a 12. Alright, so we're going to take out our Haldex drain plug. And for you guys with stock drain plugs, it'll be an 8mm Allen right on the bottom front of the case. So here we go, let's drain it out. Typically this fluid comes out always pretty clean and clear. We're not going to touch the pump at all in this service. We're just going to do a drain and refill, like described in the Volkswagen service manual. That was super smooth. Alright, so our Haldex is done draining. Let's plug the bottom, and then we're going to fill it up. So this is going to be our fluid transfer pump, real simple. You can get these for like about 10-12 bucks from Harbor Freight. And it's very helpful if you have a second technician. So my tech Caesar is going to help me do the pumping, and I'm going to hold it. So go ahead. And this should hold almost a full liter. And when it dribbles out, you know it's full. The fill level is the bottom of the fill plug. And like I said, be very aware of your rear diff. Your rear differential are the two rear plugs. Rear diff drain, rear diff fill. And we've got Haldex drain, Haldex fill. People have confused these before and they'll double fill one or the other, and one will be dry, and that's all bad. You're going to be buying a Haldex from a junkyard. And again, we're not touching our pump. We're just doing a simple drain and refill on this guy. Where are you out there? Go a little more. Say that's pretty full. A little more. So that's it for our Haldex drain and fill. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments. And in this example, we don't have to worry about looking at VACCOM, we don't have to worry about hooking up VCDS, we don't have to worry about test driving it, we're not touching the pump, we're just doing a simple drain and refill. So there's no temp requirement, there's no basic settings, there's no test drive necessary. If you were taking the pump off, say you had an issue with your Haldex, and you suspect maybe the pump is bad, maybe the clutches are burned out, maybe your screen is clogged, then of course, yes, you would have to drive it. You'd have to do a basic settings, you'd have to engage the pump, and then you'd have to drive it and then refill it and top it off. But in this instance, we're just doing a simple drain and refill, and my customer M, he'll be all good to go. Thank you guys so much for watching. Happy driving.